Hi besties, I finally got my hand on DJI Osmo Pocket 3 standard combo, and guess what? I am so excited to unbox it with you guys today. And if you've been looking for a small powerful vlogging camera, of course you've probably seen this everywhere, but what do you actually get from this box? Let's find out. Okay, first of all, this box is so tiny. You can imagine my reaction when I saw the box coming out, like too tiny. I'm like, when people do unboxing, is this how they hold the camera pack, and it looks so big? This is so tiny, guys. The camera itself is literally so small. Look at that. It's like a mini robot camera. So this is the protective case, and over here we have the charging cable, which is this tiny. So we have the pretty standard charger, but also a USB type, which my phone charger can do best. So this is a smartphone adapter. This is a Genius, and it also connects straight to your camera. I don't think I will use it now because this is a USB type. I'll use my phone charger to be charging it. And here we have the wrist wrap. Yes, because I drop everything. It feels lightweight but also solid. The gimbal moves slowly and is giving the cinematic move. Honestly, this feels like a tech toy, but in the best way possible. I wanted something smaller than my camera but also better than my phone, and that is why I go for this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and most especially for travels, vlog, in so many ways that you are not comfortable to record with your phone, or as well to minimize a phone storage problem. And again, this is supposed to have an amazing stabilization, so my footage won't look like roller coaster ride. I would test it out for vlogs, b-rolls, maybe even some cinematic shoots. If you want a full review after a week of using it, make sure you let me know in the comment section. That's everything inside the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 standard combo box. Guess what? It's tiny but mighty. I can't wait to see all the things they have been saying about this camera. Comment below if you would like to pick this or stick with your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and as well comment down below so you don't miss out my review very soon. And of course, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.